Okay, well, it's Nick here. Good morning to you, and I hope my microphone is better than the last few videos. I hope you can hear me well, wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're fitting well. This chart shows the, let me come down to the bottom here. Last night made, just here you can see 19 pips on that position and 20 pips on that one. So all those two positions there, I class that as one move, one trade really. So one got 19 pips, the other got 20 pips, which was a very nice trade. And looking at the screen here, I also took a binary option, and I was in at 151705. Which is basically where this red horizontal line is. So we've got another 8 hours to go basically, but this trade is still moving in the right direction for us, which is rather good. So if the London Open works well for us, and London doesn't push it up, doesn't push the euro up higher, then this is also looking quite promising, and I will update you later today in about 8 hours when the trade is complete. So I can tell you whether it was a successful trade or not. I'm using some special confirmation software here, which lets me watch the market makers or liquidity providers, and I'm always skeptical about these things, but I have to say that I'm impressed. I don't often say that. So just looking at this here, I mean, I put a note up in a video. I can get this to run, saying I have 7 winners here and 1 loser. There's actually 19 trades here, and 18 of the trading positions are successful. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. But for example, here with the pound, I'm certainly not into hype, so I just want to make this clear, that this, I mean, I've got multiple positions on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positions on the pound dollar there. So that to me is one move. Alright, I know you see these screenshots of accounts, and this is a demo account because I'm just trying to test this confirmation tool out, and I'd only reveal my real account in a paid for or closed group trading room, which we might, not sure, but we might sort of try to organise if there's enough response out there and enough interest. Basically, I trade the New York session around New York lunchtime, so if that's a time zone that you're good at, that's convenient for you, then maybe this might be for you. Anyway, I'm using this confirmation tool, and it's going pretty well. And as long as the euro is below that red horizontal line here, we're looking pretty sweet, pretty good for yet another successful trade. The loser here, by the way, was really just me not quite understanding the software at the time. Okay, and but I'm still in a learning process with this, although it's all become a lot clearer in the last few trades, sort of getting a nice little process going. And I emphasize it's not a sort of it's not a magic pill, it's not magic software, there's nothing magic about it. You have to put in the work, you have to do your due diligence, risk management, look at the market sentiment for the day, look at the fundamentals, because the fundamentals move the market based on central bank policy and economic announcements, all the usual stuff. But following the big money in the market is really, really useful to see that. And I know that if you work in the bank, you can see the time and sales of orders going through, and that in turn will form a candle, and the traders can be a little bit ahead of the game there. Okay, so I'll leave it at that. Wherever you are in the world, be good to each other. Hope you're all fitting well, and I'll update you later with whatever happens to this particular trade, which is looking rather promising. We're coming up to about 7 o'clock in the morning in London, so there's still about 2 hours to go before they really get going. And it's really the close of the Asian session here, and particularly because it's the Asian session, it's quite interesting about the Aussie dollar here is strengthening, because I think it weakened too much recently. Remember on Thursday they're going to be talking about forecasts, forward guidance, and how they feel the Australian economy will be doing in the future. But that's on Thursday, and today is Wednesday. Okay, from me, Nick, hope you're fitting well, and be good to each other wherever you are in the world today. I bid you a very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. All the best. Take care.